Hello guys. Very warm welcome to Shanghai Elue Machining, official YouTube channel. This video is your stainless steel material, technical guide. If we talk about stainless steel, it is a group of ferrous alloys, consists of minimum 11% chromium. It also contains nitrogen, carbon, aluminum, sulfur, silicon, copper, titanium, nickel, etc. in different proportions. Which gives rise to different stainless steel families and grades. Alright guys. It's time to introduce you people with properties of stainless steel. Stainless steels offer great properties, and most properties are machining friendly. These properties are high oxidation resistance, aesthetic appeal, recyclability, excellent strength at high temperature, high tensile strength, hardness, and ductility. In this section of the video, we'll talk about what different grades and families stainless steel has. Stainless steel has 5 leading families. These include Ferritic, Austenitic, Martensitic, Duplex, Precipitation hardening alloys. First, we talk about ferritic steels. This stainless steel family has a body-centered cubic crystalline structure. Its integral ingredient elements are iron and chromium. It also includes a modest amount of other alloys. This steel family offers comparatively cheaper grades. They are not much appealing when it comes to aesthetics and beauty. Important ferritic alloy are grade 409, grade 416, grade 430. Next stainless steel family that we are going to discuss is Austenitic stainless steels. This family consists of 300 series alloys. They have a face-centered cubic crystalline structure. They comprise a high proportion of chromium and nickel elements. They offer exceptional corrosion resistance, non-magnetic behavior when annealed, ductile, and readily formable, and superb weldability. 304, 310, and 316 are amongst the important Austenitic stainless steel family grades. Third family that we have is Martensitic stainless steels. This family have a body-centered tetragonal crystalline structure. It contains high carbon content and chromium. It offers excellent magnetic attributes, great corrosion resistance, and performs well under tense environments. Most commonly used Martensitic grades are grade 431 and grade 440. Further on the line, we have Duplex stainless steels. These are formed by heating an equal proportion of ferrite and austenite elements. They offer excellent strength compared to austenitic steels, good corrosion resistance, ameliorated toughness, and ductility. 2304 and 2205 are the Duplex stainless steel grades employed in different sectors. Last but not the least, the stainless steel family that we have is Precipitation hardening family. This family of stainless steel is available in the market in 2 conditions. Either in condition A, which is annealed, or in condition C, which is tempered. They are magnetic, stronger, heat treatable, and offer great workability. Important precipitation hardening grades are 15 to 5 pH, that contains about 15% chromium, and 5% nickel, and second important grades, which is 17.4 pH, that contains about 17% chromium, and 4% nickel. Further, for your guys, we have some important points need to be taken care while selecting right stainless steel grade for your project. Well, when it comes to choosing the right steel grade, then consider the following factors: mechanical properties, cost and availability, corrosion resistance of the grade, your operating environment. Next we have what benefits stainless steel can offer for you products. Well, the pros include superlative corrosion resistance, excellent aesthetic appeal, low maintenance, and recyclability. Cons of stainless steel. Stainless steel offers few cons, and they include high cost and smudging. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you need CNC machining services for your business, you can contact us right now. Our state-of-the-art workshop and seasoned staff are always at your disposal to guide you with the best possible solution to solve your business needs.